Hello students, I am Raghavendra Kumar Singh, teaching faculty of US Academy and Institute. Today we will discuss class 7th Geography's first chapter, Environment. Nature, place, people, things. These all which are surrounded towards us or the living organisms around us makes the environment. Means nature, place, people, things, etc. that surrounds the living organism makes the environment. The environment can be classified into natural and human environment. It is a combination of both natural as well as man-made phenomena. The natural environment comprises with biotic factor, which means living organisms such as plants and animals, whereas abiotic conditions refers to the non-living substances just like land, water, air, etc. Whereas the man-made phenomena comprises the activity and interaction between among the peoples or the human beings. After that, the topic is the natural environment. What did you understand by natural environment? Natural environment means the land, water, air, and living organism such as plants and animal comprises the natural environment. Lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere are the four domains of the natural environment. The lithosphere is the solid crust or the outermost layer of the earth where we live. It contains landforms like mountain, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. The hydrosphere is the domain of water. It comprises water bodies like river, lakes, seas, ocean, etc. The atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. It protects us from the harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. The biosphere is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water, and air interact with each other. Now, the topic came, what did you understand by the ecosystem? What is ecosystem? The relation between the living organism as well as the relation between the organisms and their surroundings forms the ecosystem. There could be an ecosystems of large rainforest where most of the animals live, grasslands where most of the animals are able to graze, deserts, mountains, lakes, river, ocean, and even a small pond also. Now, the next topic came, what did you understand by the human environment? Human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their needs. As we know, in the ancient time, early humans adapted themselves to their natural surroundings. With the time, human beings learned to grow new things, to domesticate animals, and lead the settled life. The Industrial Revolution makes transportation, and information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. Man is destroying the environment through deforestation and industrialization, etc. The environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the place where we live. Thus, the environment is the most important aspects of our life. The natural environment consists of land, water, air, plant and animals. It refers to both biotic and abiotic condition existing on the earth. While biotic refers to the world of living organism, whereas abiotic refers to the world of non-living elements such as land, water, air, etc. The human environment refers to the activity, creations, and interaction among human beings. The domains of our environments are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. The lithosphere is the solid portion of the earth where we live. It is the domain that provides us forests, grasslands for grazing, land for agriculture, and human settlement. It is where we find several minerals also. Hydrosphere refers to the water bodies like river, lakes, seas, ocean that exist on earth. The atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. It protects us from the harmful rays and searching heat of the sun. Consists of gases, dust and water vapors. Whereas biosphere or the living world is comprises of plants and animals life. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. The relation between the living organisms as well as the relation between the organisms and their surroundings forms an ecosystem. An ecosystem can be found in lakes, mountains, ocean, ponds, etc. Human beings modify the natural environment as per as their needs. So we can say that what is environment? Environment is the place where people, things and nature that surrounds any living organism is called the environment. Whereas biotic, it refers to the world of living organism such as plants and animal. Abiotic, it refers to the world of non-living elements such as land. Lithosphere, it is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. Hydrosphere, it refers to the water bodies like river, lakes, seas, ocean, etc. on the earth. Atmosphere, it is the thin layer of the air that surrounds the earth. And the last, ecosystem, the relation between the living organism as well as the relation between the organisms and the surroundings forms a ecosystem.